When World War II ended, most combat aircraft were quickly retired or scrapped, but not the P-61 Black Widow. Its large fuselage, advanced radar systems, and strong twin-engine design made it perfect for a strange and dangerous new role, controlling unmanned aircraft, drones, during early atomic weapons testing. In the late 1940s, the U.S. military was desperate to understand the effects of nuclear blasts on aircraft, ships, and electronics. But you couldn't exactly fly a pilot into a mushroom cloud. Instead, engineers began converting old warbirds into remote-controlled drones, and they needed a way to fly them. That's where the P-61 came in. Several P-61s were modified into drone director aircraft, fitted with special radio control systems and extra instrumentation. These motherships would guide B-17's or F-6F Hellcats packed with sensors directly into atomic test zones, such as at Bikini Atoll during Operation Crossroads in 1946. From a safe distance, the P-61 crew would monitor the drone's instruments, maneuver the aircraft remotely, and collect vital post-detonation data. It was cutting-edge and incredibly risky. Glitches in the control system could cause a drone to go rogue or crash before delivering any usable information. Though never designed for this purpose, the P-61 quietly became a pioneer of drone warfare and post-nuclear test science. Most people remember it as a night fighter. Few know it helped shape the atomic age. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more content that you won't find anywhere else.